Accomplishing 100 days of vaccination in the country, India's cumulative vaccination coverage has crossed a count of 145 million, making it the world's largest vaccination drive. With the prolonged efforts of central government and their policy to reach out to every individual in the country, India's national recovery rate stands at 82.62%. After the culmination of 2 successful vaccination phases, India is gearing up for phase 3. Starting on May 1st. For effective implementation of the new vaccination strategy and to strengthen the existing infrastructure, the central government has issued certain guidelines for states and union territories. The states are specifically advised to register additional private COVID vaccination centers in mission mode by engaging private hospitals, hospitals of industrial establishments and industry associations. They are required to coordinate with designated appropriate authority and ensure a mechanism for applications, requests, their processing and monitoring of pendency of registration. Besides, they should also monitor the number of hospitals that have procured vaccines and have declared stocks and prices on CoWIN. States are also recommended to schedule vaccination for eligible populations to provide adequate visibility of vaccination slots on CoWIN platform. Apart from this, they are suggested to prioritize decisions regarding direct procurement of vaccines, publicizing the facility of only online registration for the age groups between 18 to 45 years. Moreover, they should train the CVC, Central Vigilance Commission staff about vaccination, adverse events following immunization reporting and management, and should also guide the staff regarding the use of CoWIN application. Training schedule and reconciliation of vaccine stocks have been already provided to private CVCs. In addition, coordinating with law and order authorities for effective crowd management remains an important aspect. The central government has taken all the requisite measures to tackle this pandemic. Air, rail, road, sea, heaven and earth are being moved to overcome the challenges thrown up by this wave of COVID-19. Our COVID warriors are expediting the supply of oxygen tankers, concentrators, equipment and medicines within the country and also across the borders. Leading the fight against COVID-19, India is progressing with the mission of Oxygen Express through different modes of transportation. To make this vaccination phase even more rewarding and to prepare a comprehensive plan for augmentation, central government has advised the states to identify additional dedicated COVID-19 hospitals and prepare field hospital facilities either through DRDO, CSIR or similar agencies in the private sector. They are guided to establish adequacy in terms of oxygen-supported beds, ICU beds and oxygen supplies, which also includes setting up centralized call center-based services for allocation of beds. Central government has also advised the states to deploy requisite human resources with proper training and mentoring of doctors and nurses. Central government's unequivocal approach against the pandemic has safeguarded many lives in the country. The combative vax have diminished the role of pandemic in front of the nation's vigor and safety. It has once again brought life to the words of Mahatma Gandhi that a small body of determined spirits fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission can alter the course of history. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.